Hello and welcome. This is Moose showing for Ling Xiaoliu. She was always one of my favorite fighters. She is my fifth favorite fighter with those that are shown. Now I'll patch you through to a move list. Know nothing about Kung Fu, to be honest. Really nothing. But I like her fighting style. This is some style of Kung Fu, but I don't know which. Let's go. Only using hands, clasps. Really strange fighting style, but effective, to be honest. Effective in a video game. I don't know in real life if this is effective or not. Never seen it. Never seen somebody using this. It's pretty much strange. Yeah, cloud kick. I like this kick a lot, though it is not that strong. Yeah, bird's flock. So much strange. Spinner. What the hell is this? Oh, good combo with legs. Yeah, this is Salt. Phoenix. She has really strange attacks. This is also strange for me, but okay. Right front kick, okay, this is what most of skills have. Flapping wings. This is also some type of Dvichagi, but don't know which one. Storming Flower, my favorite attack. Yeah, knee cracker. Nut cracker. Awesome one. Great wall left. Awesome for attack. This kick is also, I mean, it is good, but in real life it is very hard to sell it. Oh, good attack with leg. Spin sticker. Tiger kick. I mean, kicks are so strange with Ling Xiaoliu, and also her palms. Thunder strike. I know this one. This is really hard to use. Backflip attack. I know this too. Backflip to Phoenix. This is also awesome attacking. Awesome looks when you look at the side. A rabbit, yeah. Bolting rabbit, one of my favorite attacks. You can continue after this combo. Cyanide. Something like a spinning heel kick, but very strangely done. This Phoenix stance is also a good for her. Phoenix flight. This is also one of my favorite attacks. And this one too, shooting star. Pa. Also good strike. Some variant of Dvichagi is here. I don't know which one. Fortune. I also do this attack a lot with her. Raccoon swing. Step kick. Okay, this is normal. Slow dance, don't know this attack. Excellent. Oh yeah, I know this one. A hell of an attack. Know this one too. Like slapping you. She slaps you every single time. Yeah. Spinning X kick. Rising, not that strong. Skyscraper kick. Very, very strange combo. She does a lot of moves while she is turned with the back. Yeah, monkey kick. Did this a few times. Tornado. She has a lot of good blocks. This is what I like with her. She can block a lot. Has an opportunity to counter. This is also awesome attack. A lot of moments when she is turned with her back. Yeah, counter striking, her advantage. If you know to play with her, it can be really interesting. But if you're a beginner, my advice is to avoid Link Xiaoyu. I mean, you must have at least basic knowledge when you play with her. You must know how to play. I mean, you must know to connect. From Phoenix you have a lot of valuable attacks. That's what I mostly do with her. This is the attack I most often do. Not this one, the previous one. This wave crest. You can also connect from this. Okay, Phoenix the one you saw this. To be honest, try this only once or twice. So many throws. A butterfly. Phoenix swipe. This is also something that I often do. Alley-oop. Oh, an awesome one. Double scissor kick. Yeah, like a double up chuggy, but really different. I'm from Taekwondo, I know these moves, but this is something like a butterfly kick, I think. Yeah, this is it. Sky kick. jumping pirouette. Yeah, this is like irritating your opponent. Greetings. Hell yeah. Ten hit combo 1. If you know to use her, she is a hell of an opponent. But if you don't, if you're a beginner, my advice is to avoid her. What an awesome judo throw. This is an Aikido throw. Arm flip. This is unrealistic. Oh, very, very brutal one. Dragon fall. Hell yeah. What a way to block attacks. These are sample combos. Just showing you this. That would be it for Ling Xiaoyu.